15 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually improve your life. Most people spend hours every day scrolling, consuming, watching other people live. The scary part? After all that time, nothing actually changes. No new skills, no progress, no direction. So here are 15 hobbies that replace scrolling and can genuinely change your life if you actually commit to them. First, build something online. A page, brand, business, side hustle, anything. Right now, people are building real income from their phones. Opportunities are everywhere. If you're only consuming while everyone else is creating, you're already falling behind. Second, boxing or any combat sport. This changes you mentally as much as physically. You learn pressure, discipline, control, and how to stay calm when things get hard. Over time, you stop feeling weak. You carry yourself differently. Third, chess or strategy games. Most people react emotionally to everything. Strategy games teach you to slow down, think ahead, and make smarter decisions instead of impulsive ones. That skill affects your entire life. Fourth, recording yourself speaking. Yeah, it feels awkward at first, but that's exactly why it works. Watch how you speak. Notice the hesitation, the lack of confidence, habits you never realized you had. You can't improve what you refuse to see. Fifth, communication practice. If you can't express yourself clearly, people ignore you. That's just reality. The way you speak affects opportunities, relationships, respect, everything. Fix your communication and people start seeing you differently. Sixth, running. Running teaches you something most people never learn. Your mind lies when things get uncomfortable. It tells you to quit early. Slow down. Stop. Discipline is learning how to keep moving anyway. Seventh, learn high-income skills. Learn something valuable. AI, coding, video editing, content creation, copywriting, anything that actually creates value. Because hard work without direction just keeps people stuck. Eighth, learn sales and persuasion. This is one of the highest-paying skills in the world. Money, opportunities, influence, all of it comes from your ability to communicate value. If you can't persuade, you'll always depend on someone else to win for you. Ninth, negotiation. Life doesn't give you what you deserve. It gives you what you negotiate. Your salary, your opportunities, your respect, your relationships. Stay silent. You accept less than you could have had. 10th, strength training. Gym, calisthenics, bodyweight training. It doesn't matter. Just get stronger. Because when your body becomes stronger, your mind follows. Real confidence is built through action, not positive thinking. 11th, walking without your phone. No music, no scrolling, no distraction, just silence. If that feels uncomfortable, it's probably a sign you've been overstimulated for too long. Learning to sit with your own thoughts is one of the healthiest things you can do. 12th, writing daily. Writing forces your thoughts to slow down and organize themselves. Ideas become clearer when you see them in front of you. Sharper your thinking becomes, better your decisions become too. 13th, reading with purpose. Not random motivation clips, not useless information. Read things that improve your thinking, your mindset, your understanding of the world. Because the quality of your mind shapes the quality of your life. 14th, video editing. You already spend hours watching content every week. Imagine if even a small percentage of that time went into creating instead of consuming. That's how distractions turn into real skills. 15th, journaling. Not fake positivity, not pretending everything's perfect. Write the real thoughts in your head, the frustration, the confusion, goals, pressure. That honesty clears your mind more than anything else. And the truth is, you don't need all 15. 2 or 3. Stay consistent. Actually commit to them. Because your life will never change from watching videos about improvement. It changes the moment you start doing something about it. Comment the 2 hobbies you're choosing. Subscribe